Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to manage Telegram notifications, messages location on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Click on the hamburger menu located in the upper left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings. From the menu that appears. Step 4. Click on Notifications and Sounds. Step 5. Scroll down until you find Location on the screen. Step 6. You'll see a screen photo with the notifications messages preview. Click on the location where you want to see the notifications, and there you have it. You've successfully managed Telegram notifications messages location on your PC. This allows you to customize the placement of notifications on your screen for a more convenient experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.